Good morning, students. Welcome you all for next generation learning. Today we are going to see the subject physics, class 10. Chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. Topics, multiple choice questions based on the topic 10.1, reflection of light. Before going to see the MCQ question, just I recall the concept about reflection of light. The first concept is laws of reflection of light. You know that this is a plane mirror. When the light fall on the plane mirror, it reflects back. This is called reflection of light. This reflection of light obeys two laws. What are that? See the first law. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. See, this is a plane mirror. Incident ray, a normal line, a reflected ray. The angle between the incident ray and a normal line is called angle of incidence. The angle between normal line and a reflected ray is called angle of reflection. In a first law says that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That means the angle I is equal to angle R. If angle I is 50 degree means the angle R also 50 degree. The angle I is 40 degree means the angle R also 40. And see the second one. The incident ray, the reflected ray and normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So this is a plane mirror. This is a plane. See, this is an incident ray, normal line and reflected ray. All lie in the same plane. The third one, the incident ray and the reflected ray lie on either side of the normal. For here, this is a left and this is a right. The incident ray is left side and a reflected ray is right side. Maybe the light fall on right side means this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Reflected ray and incident ray. So the incident ray and reflected ray lie on either side of the normal. The second concept is properties of an image formed by plane mirror. Plane mirror is nothing but normal mirror is called plane mirror. So you know what is the difference between the image and object? You take plane mirror and this is the object. The image formed in the mirror is called image. So which is placed in front of the mirror, that is called object, which is formed in the mirror, that is called image. So now we are going to see what are the properties and characteristic of image formed by plane mirror. The first one, the image obtained is virtual. So the image only formed in the mirror. So this image is called virtual image. The image is laterally inverted I will explain you what is meant by laterally inverted in the next slide. The image is erect. The erect is nothing but upright. See, now for in this object, the arrow mark is top. In image also, the arrow mark is top. So the image is erect, that is upright. Maybe the arrow mark is bottom, means in image arrow mark also bottom. So the image is erect. The size of the image is the same as the size of the object. See here this is the size of the object, and see this is the size of the image. Both the size are same. The distance between the image obtained is the same as the distance between the object from the mirror. Wait, I will explain you. See, this is the object and this is the image. This is a plane mirror. See the size of the boy. Both the boys are same. So size same. And this is a mirror. This is the object. So the distance between the mirror to the object is equal to the distance between the mirror to image. This is the distance between the mirror to image is equal. That means A equal to B. See in this sentence, distance of object from the mirror is equal to distance of image from the mirror. So both A and B are equal. The laterally inverted property is nothing but the left appears to be right and the right appears to be left. Here see, this is object and this is an image which is formed in the mirror, that is called image. Which is placed in front of the mirror, that is called object. See, in object right hand, but in a image it is left hand. So the right appears to be left, left appears to be right. This is called laterally inverted. Now we will see the questions. The angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. So we know that the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. Option A, always. Option B, sometimes. Option C, under special conditions. Option D, never. The correct answer is always. Always the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. This is the law of reflection of light. So always the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. In second question, the angle between an incident ray and the plane mirror is 30 degree. The total angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray will be. Do you understand the question? The angle between an incident ray, this is an incident ray, this is incident ray, and the plane mirror, this is a plane mirror, is 30. Okay, I will draw neatly. This angle is 30 degree. The total angle between the incident ray and the reflector ray will be. So this is a incident ray, this is a reflector ray. So the total angle between the incident ray to reflector ray. So this is the total angle between the incident ray to reflector ray. So what is that angle? You know that if you take a plane mirror, this is a normal line. So it makes angle right angle 90 degree. In 90 degree, this is 30 degree they given. So the remaining degree for here is 60. 90 minus 30, 60. In angle of incidence is 30 means the angle of reflection also, the angle of incidence is 60 means the angle of reflection also 60. So the total angle 60 plus 60, 120. So we will see the option. Option A 30 degree. Option B 60 degree. Option C 90 degree. Option D 120 degree. So option C is the correct answer because this is 30, this is 60. The total angle is right angle 90. So here the angle of incidence is 60 means the angle of reflection also 60. So total angle from the reflector incident ray to reflector ray is called 60 plus 60, 120. The next question. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror making an angle 90 degree with the mirror surface. The angle of reflection for this ray of light will be option A 45 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 0 degree, option D 60 degree. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror making an angle 90 degree. So this incident light make an angle 90 degree with the mirror surface. What is the angle of reflection? The angle of reflection is 0 degree. How it is a 0? Because if you take a plane mirror, the light is, this is an incident ray, this is a normal line and this is a reflector ray. It has some angle here 30 degree. But if the light fall on perpendicular to the plane mirror surface, the normal line and the incident ray are lie in the same line. So there is no angle of incidence. If there is no angle of incidence means there is no angle of reflection. So if angle of incidence is 0 degree means the angle of reflection also 0. That means the incident ray, normal line, reflector ray all lie in the same line. Then only it makes an angle 90 degree with the mirror surface. So the correct answer is 0 degree. In fourth question, the image of an object formed by a plane mirror is. So this is the image. This is object. If you take a plane mirror, this is a front side. Shining surface is a front side and this is a contoured surface back side. So this is object and this is image. So the image of an object formed by a plane mirror is option A virtual, option B real, option C diminished, option D upside down. In properties of image we learn that the image formed by a plane mirror is virtual. That is not real, that is not diminished, that is not upside down. That is erect, same size and virtual. So the correct answer is option A virtual. The fifth question. The image formed by a plane mirror is option A virtual, behind the mirror and enlarged. Virtual okay, behind the mirror okay, that is not enlarged. In option B virtual, behind the mirror, same size as the object. So option B is the correct answer. We will see option C also. Real, that is wrong. At the surface of the mirror, the image is formed behind the mirror, not surface of the mirror. So this is also wrong. And enlarged, not enlarged. This is same size. So option C also wrong. In option D, real, wrong. Behind the mirror, correct. Same size as the object. These two are correct. So which one is the correct? Option B is the completely correct. Virtual, behind the mirror,